What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirt Cheap Ratchet Drift. I don't know, what did we decide on that? This is episode 2. Not much is going on, but I gotta film for y'all. Let me tell you what's going on real quick. I already started on this. So here's my ignition cylinder. I already pulled the switch out of the back of it. This ignition cylinder needs to come out because the ignition cylinder is bad. The key's bad or whatever, I don't care. I have a good one available. So I got a new one coming, but there's security bolts under here that hold it on. I already got one out. But what you got to do is get you a nice sharp chisel. This one's actually going a little dull, but you're just going to stick it up in there and you're going to chisel a straight edge into it. And that way you can take your flathead and unscrew it. Very easy, very simple. It's just a pain in the butt because you have to lay upside down under this car and not fun. And plus, with that gone, I can steer the wheel. It's pretty loose right now. That's why it's not locking the wheel up. Second thing, I just got the cheapo fuel pump. It's got 2 different fuel socks, iron harness, grommet, pump. Boom, boom, boom. It's a 255 stockish, I think. It might be a little bit more than stockish. I don't know. So yeah, that's what's going on. I just got to get the ignition cylinder out. I should get the new one this weekend, but at least I'll be able to steer the car and I'll be able to start it with the ignition switch once I get the new fuel pump in. Also, there is a little bit of sour gas in this tank that I put in here in the previous episode. We're just going to put a gallon in there, disconnect the fuel send line at the manifold before the filter, and we're going to pump it out. Put another gallon in, pump it out until it comes out clean, and then we'll just put gas in it and go. Daylight is running out. I'm gonna go ahead and get that last screw out of there real quick, get the ignition switch off, and then we'll be on to the fuel pump. I got it. It was out. It was so hot in there, man. It's like the hottest day of the year today. Today has been hot as hell. Yeah. Focus. What else? You get the point. This is the screw. I put a little in it and took it out with a flathead. There! Come on. Oh, so close. What if? At this point, I'm waiting for Daniel to show up because it's too dark to do the fuel pump properly, and he has a flashlight. I didn't think about that. There it is. New fuel pump is in. I don't have the sock on it yet. And I don't have it wired yet. But it's in the cradle. And then when I pulled this thing out of the tank, the float fell off. Apparently there was some kind of clip that was supposed to be there, and it wasn't. But this seems to work. I'm trying to do everything with one hand. Hold on. It's making contact. It moves. I'm gonna try it. I mean, worst case scenario, I just don't have fuel level and I'll just get another sender. But we'll just set that there. I've really done as much as I can do until Daniel gets here. My battery's down on my phone. I got no light. I don't have butt connectors or wire crimpers. I totally forgot. There's old fuel pump. Alright guys, it got too dark last night. I had to come back today. Threw the fuel pump in, I threw some gas in it, did a little works with the existing ignition cylinder I have, because I don't have my new one yet, and we're going to go ahead and try to fire it. Alright man, go ahead and fire this thing up.
Let's do it!
Oh!
So far so good.
Does power steering work? Hold on, your hands are busy.
Yeah, I'm busy. Yeah!
Bro!
After a little power steering fluid, it works.
What else we got going on here? Hey, my sending unit works.
I know.
Nice! Yeah. Dude, hold on. I'm trying to get this.
These aren't much.
I sprung a leak right there. So I'm going to pull it off. Pull it off the nipple and try to cut a little bit off, and hopefully I got enough hose to make that happen.
I'm gonna go try and find some more paint.
All right, so here's the return line. That's the one that was leaking down there. It was leaking up here also. I don't know if you can see the moisture in there. Here it is. Let's see, right there. And then I cut it down there. So we got a new length of hose. I just connected it up here. Now I'm gonna go downstairs, connect it down there, and try again. And there it is, guys. Fuel leak fixed. Ignition's fixed. And it's running by itself. And it runs so good. Let's go in this car and see if the AC works. I'm curious. You can do it. Anyways, yeah, so I tried to turn on the AC and it pretty much immediately shredded the AC belt, so that's fine, okay. But this thing is sweet, dude. It is so right. We're gonna go ahead and load it up on the truck and take her to her new resting spot for a while. I got new glasses today. They got the transition lenses, so I look nerdy.
Oh, here's the first drive. We have no straight, but we got reverse. He's having fun drifting backwards, almost hitting mailboxes. Yeah. What a beater.
I don't know where he went, but the 240 runs in reverse. It's so fun. Dude, and I'm pretty sure the Hikis works.
Your e-brakes suck. Sorry, we're pissing off the neighbors.
I was gonna say go for it. We gotta adjust. I'm gonna push you forward. I need you to come a little bit more this way.
Wait a minute.
Like you're really far on this side of the trailer.
It's alright, once I get on the trailer I can adjust it. Just kick that over a little bit.
You're good. That's good. Whoa! Well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Car's on the trailer. Gonna take it down the street.
Bye, YouTube!
He said, bye, YouTube. Up next is 5-speed swap, non-hikers conversion, etc., etc. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.